How to find best Moneygram promo codes. Want to cut down on transfer fees? Let's explore how to find the best MoneyGram promo codes. So start with Retail Me Not. Retail Me Not offers verified coupon codes such as 40% off transfer fees, $0 fee for new customers, $2 off transactions, plus 1% cashback for first time transfers. Another would be CNN coupons. So CNN coupons list country-specific discounts like $3 off transfers to Afghanistan, $2 off transfers to India or Brazil, and $4 off transfers to Ecuador. Third would be coupons.com. On coupons.com, you'll find bigger deals like $20 off transfers and up to 10% cashback when you join the rewards program. So to apply the codes at the checkout, go ahead and enter the promo code in the discount box. Confirm the savings before completing your transfer. And that is how you find the best MoneyGram promo codes.